All right, quiz time. Let's go over the first question. All right, the first questions are about true and false. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go over most of the question on the quiz to make sure everything makes sense. So on this, we have to just say true or false. So it's true or false. Supervised learning requires a smaller amount of data than unsupervised learning. I'm going to answer this one. This should be false. We always look for lots of data. Unsupervised learning can be used to learn the structure of data sets. So you need to decide if this is true or false. Third one, machine learning is the science of programming computers so they can learn from data. Okay, this is true or false. Machine learning is downloading a copy of all Wikipedia articles to your computers. True or false? In supervised learning, the model is given labeled data to learn from. So let me explain the word model here. I don't think I used this word in the video, the previous video. So on the video, I said there is a machine here, and we provide lots of example to the machine. So let me see if I can use. Okay, this might work. So let's say we have a black dot here. I'm gonna change to red. So let's say those are our data. We have orange. Let's use another color like blue. So if those are our data, so something in supervised and unsupervised. On supervised learning, we learn that for each data or sample, we have a label. For example, if this was a supervised learning, I would label this one to like blueberry. And this is orange, so I will label them. But don't worry about this. I would like to explain what does it mean, the word model. So I talked that we're gonna have lots of example to the machine, and we said and we want the machine learn and algorithms to actually gives us a program. So and then if this is a machine, I'm gonna just put ML. So I'm gonna call this one algorithms. So here, machine will do something that will gives us a program. And this program, we're going to use it to classify the data now. So this, I called it program, but this can be a model. So this is a model. Then the output will be, so the output of this, we're going to have, see, for example, all the blackberry here, then all the blueberry here, and then red like an apple or orange. So that's the idea. So the goal is the word model is same as the program that I referred to in the video. All right, so you should be able to answer these two questions. We have unsupervised learning. The model is not given any label data. Correct. For supervised, we said we label them. For unsupervised, we don't label them. All right, let's move to the next question. Number 2. Which of the following is not a common application for supervised machine learning? So here everything should make sense. A, spam filtering, image classification. So let me talk about the spam filtering. So I'm referring to the email. So if this is an email, let's say we have a lot of emails. The question is, should we label them or we shouldn't label them? So we're talking about machine learning. So I'm going to make an algorithms here. And inside of this machine, there are algorithms. So let me see if I can draw something cool. Circle here, circle here, and this guy. All right, so the question is, this one should be supervised or not supervised. So we learned that we're gonna, a lot of this example, gonna go to the machine, and the machine, this is a machine. Why it doesn't write? Machine will gives us, for some reason my pen is not okay. Machine will gives us, so this is a machine gives us a program or a model. I'm going to put eyes for this model. So this is a model. We're gonna call it ML model or the program. Then we're gonna output. So the question is, should we label it? Is it supervised or unsupervised? So this is a data. I'm gonna answer this question. So spam filtering, it will be supervised machine because we're gonna label them. This, for example, this is a spam. We're going to say this is okay. That's a spam. How do we call it a spam? And that's okay with the content inside. So we have some content inside of email. We say, oh, this is not a spam. So spam filtering is a supervised. So that's not going to be the answer. You have some idea about image classification, and so these two actually are supervised. You need to decide which of these two is the answer. All right, let's move to the next question. Next question, another multiple choice. In supervised machine learning, the goal is to discover hidden pattern in data, B, predict the outcome of new data points, C, cluster similar data points together, all of the above. So you should be able to answer this. Now, all right, question number 4. We have unsupervised learning involves training a model using labeled data, training a model using unlabeled data, and using a pre-trained model to make predictions. And last question. So what I'm going to do, I will add a link to the PDF format of this quiz for you guys. All right, have a good day.